Meaning of goddam.
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 Goddam. Goddam is an English slang word that is short for goddamn. It is considered profanity and is used to express anger, frustration, or dissatisfaction. The word has been around since the 1600s and is still commonly used today. The meaning of goddamn can vary depending on context and tone, but it is generally considered derogatory and offensive. The use of this word is often frowned upon in formal settings or polite conversation. It is best to avoid using it altogether to avoid causing offense or discomfort.